This is the new SurfacePro 18 rotary surface cleaner. A rotary cleaner, if you're doing a big block paving area, will give you a nice consistent even clean all the way, so you're not going to strike the driveway as you're moving from side to side, because these nozzles are set at about ½ an inch off the driveway, so they give you a lovely consistent clean. So the SurfacePro 18 is an 18-inch rotary cleaner, so you need a decent pressure washer to be able to run this. You really realistically want something from about 3000 psi upwards at 12 to 15 litres per minute. If you're trying to run it on something smaller, then you're not going to get the rotation on the nozzles correctly, so it's not going to clean as well. But really around about 3000 psi upwards, and the SurfacePro 18 will work really well.